Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to make multiple YouTube channels with one Google account. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner. From there, either select YouTube Studio or go directly to Settings. Both options will lead you to the same account settings page. Now, scroll down and find the section under your channel name. You will see three options. Click on ADD or Manage Your Channels. The page will load and display all your existing channels. To create a new one, tap on Create a New Channel. You will then be asked to enter a name for your new channel. After typing in the name, a handle will be automatically generated, but you can also customize it if you prefer. The channel name can be anything, and it can be changed later if needed. Once you have entered the details, click on Create. Your new channel will be created and opened instantly. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.